All right, number 2 will not be as easy because we have to start reading rhythms. You'll notice you have quarter notes in measure 1, and then you have quarter rests. That's what those little squigglies are in measure 2. Before we play anything, we always want to make sure we have our rhythm good. So I've set my mallets down either somewhere on the instrument where they can be silent, or on your music stand is a great example as well. And I'm going to clap and count number 1. Remember, clapping and counting is where you're saying, you're subdividing eighth notes on your mouth like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, etc. And then you are clapping when you have notes and resting when you have rests. Here we go. Make sure your hands are doing what my hands are doing. But watch the music, don't watch my hands. 2 and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, we're good with our rhythm. Now we are going to say note names. The note names are listed right there for us. And actually we're going to say and finger them. And for the rest of the band, that means they would press down their valves or move their slide or cover the holes. But for percussion, when I say finger, I want you to shadow play. And shadow playing is essentially, it's exactly as if you were playing, but you're not making sound. That's what shadow playing would be. I'm just a couple inches above the bar. And actually it'd be good if I was doing legato strokes. Like that. Okay? Now, take note of the little letters above your note heads. See where it says F? That's in your note head. Above that, you have an R or an L. And that, predictably, is saying right or left. And it's dictating how you, we call it sticking, and which hand you play which note with. So this is called alternate sticking because you alternate between your right and your left hand. Okay, so your first measure, shadow played, would be like this. Right, left. Okay, now if we were saying note names, you would go F, 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 F. And of course, you're going to have great hand position. That's a 90-degree angle. Like, see if I can get under the music stand here. You should look like this. I am essentially very close to the music stand right now, so I would not be able to play like that. But that's what you should look like playing over your keys. All right, here is number 1, saying and fingering. With me, 2, and tap your foot, go. F, 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 rest, 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 rest. F, 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 rest, 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 rest. Now, you'll hear me talk to the winds a lot. That's everybody but percussion, about airing and fingering, and what that means for you guys. The translation is just shadow play again. So, yeah, let's shadow play that, or air and finger that. Get this really ingrained. 2, and ready, and go. F, 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 rest. 2, and lift. F, 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 rest, 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 rest. Okay, now we are going to play it using our sticking, tapping our foot while we play, and with great hand position. Here we go. 1 and 2, and ready, and go. Rest, 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 and lift. Rest, 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 and rest. And that is it. That is number 2. You are now reading rhythm, playing notes on the page, playing in the correct octave, and yeah, keep up the good work.